Welcome students. Welcome to Industrial Fluid Power session. So this class we are going to see about the hydraulic circuit session. So in this hydraulic circuit, we are going to see about the hydraulic circuit for milling machine. So this is the conventional hydraulic, uh, sorry, normal conventional milling machine system, and we are going to see how hydraulic circuit we can implement in milling machine. So let's see about what is milling operation. Milling is a process of removing metal by feeding the workpiece past a rotating multi-point tool cutter. So here my rotating tool cutter is in the one place, but we are feeding the workpiece in the work table. In milling, the rate of metal removal is very rapid and hence is one of the important mission in mass production circuit. Various milling operations are given below. Types of milling machines are horizontal milling machine, vertical milling machine, and universal milling machine. It is a combination of both horizontal and vertical. Here the cutter rotates on arbor of milling machine. The cutting feed is given to the table of milling machine so that it reciprocates for metal cutting. This table movement is controlled by a hydraulic circuit. So in this hydraulic circuit, we are going to control the table movement. Note that the reciprocating movement of milling machine is comparatively slower than shaping machine. So also different feeds are required for milling different types of works. So these are the milling operations. So now types of milling operations, and here different type of milling tools also here. This is a form cutting, this is a slab cutting, this is for slotting, straddle milling and angular milling. And now we are going to see about the hydraulic circuit for milling machine. What are the elements used in circuit? Fixed DA cylinder, that is fixed double acting cylinder, flow control valve with built-in check valve, 4 by 3 direction control valve, main pump with pressure relief valve, pressure booster pump with pressure relief valve, and return line filter. So this is the normal circuit used for normal hydraulic circuit used for milling machine, and which is used to control the table movement only. This is the table and this is the milling cutter. Milling cutter will rotate, and this table is we are going to move. We are going to make it movement with the help of the actuator, that is a double acting cylinder. As shown in the figure, DC valve is in first position. So here DC valve is in the first position. So oil is supplying to double acting cylinder through port A. So oil is supplying to double acting cylinder, this cylinder through port A. And so piston is moving from left to right, so that oil will move the piston from left to right. Since DA cylinder movement is connected to machine table, the table will move from left to right with set feed. Okay, this de-acting cylinder is also connected to the table so that when the piston moves, the same time the table also will move. The feed is adjusted by adjusting variable flow control valve FC1. It is not a valve, it is valve. FC1 flow control valve 1. Here there is one flow control valve, here there is one flow control valve with built-in check valve. And here booster pump for further increases the pressure of oil. Here one more pump we are adding, that pump is called as a pressure boosting pump in order to increase the pressure. So we are using a very heavy load, so in order to increase the pressure there is an extra boosting pump is used. Let's see the animation for the hydraulic milling machine, that is a forward stroke. How it works. Now the cutter starts, the same time the oil from the main pump, it moves and it goes to the pressure boosting pump, and from pressure boosting pumps it goes to the flow control valve 1 and 2 through port A, so that the oil will move the piston from left to right, and the same time the piston connecting with the table also move from left to right, so that the machining operation will happen. Okay. The same time, the return oil from the piston rod side is coming from the port B, and it is going back to the oil tank through return line filter. So now we are going to see hydraulic circuit for milling machine for the return stroke. The oil on piston rod side will return the oil tank via check valve of FC2, that is direction valve, and return line filter. When DC valve attains position 2, the table will move from right to left. So now the DC valve we are changing the to position 2, so that the oil from the pump, it goes through port B, so that it moves the piston from right to left, and the return oil moves through port A and go back to the oil tank. Let's see the animation motion of the hydraulic milling machine return stroke. Okay, now the oil flows through B, so that it moves from right to left, and the return oil will come through port A and go back to the oil tank. Okay. So third position is the hold position. When DC valve attains position 3, there is no movement of table. Therefore, no fluid flows through actuator, but simply it returns to the tank itself. This is the position 3. When it comes to the position 3, this position 3 is called the hold position. Now let's see the animation motion of the hydraulic milling machine for hold position. So oil from the pump, it moves to, and simply it going back to the return tank. So there is no motion will happen in the table side or in the tool side. So now let us see a actual industrial hydraulic milling machine, how it operates. Yeah. So here is this is the table, and this table is connected with the this and double outlet port. This is the forward stroke, and this is the return stroke. Third year. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this session. So let's see in the next class.